Hey there, welcome to Aurora Global Brands. Thinking of creating your own cosmetics line? Look no further. Here at Aurora, you can start your own private label company with just one click. Let me take you through our easy-to-use website. On the sample shop page, you will find all the products you can add to your business. At first, browse through our selection and pick the products you'd like to try. Remember, these samples won't have any labels on them. If you're satisfied with our samples, just reach out to our awesome creation team. They'll help you design the perfect packaging for your brand. Then, it's time to place your bulk order. And that's it. You're on your way to building your own amazing brand, and soon you'll be selling your products to eager customers. Easy, right? To help you get started, we've put together answers to the most of the common questions asked in our Q&As. Our support team is available via the live chat button on the lower right side of your screen. Just reach out if you need any assistance, or if you just want to say hello. Sign up on Aurora today and start building your own successful beauty brand.